Hey y'all, what's good? It's your girl Nai. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you. And to my returning subscribers, hey boo, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm showing you guys all of my natural hair tools. So if you're interested, stay tuned. But first, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so you can be notified whenever your girl posts a new video. Now that that's done, let go. So I hope you guys can hear me really good. I don't have my mic on because my phone is currently charging, okay? Yeah, we just not gonna get into that. But anywho, we're about to go through my natural hair tools collection. So as you guys can see behind me, I have all of my natural hair tools inside of this little shoe rack. If you guys have not seen my Amazon favorites for natural hair must-haves, definitely check that video up above. This will be a part of that video. So yeah, I will link that video up above right here, or maybe here, but I'm thinking it's right here. Maybe I'm right. We'll see when it's time to edit this video. But anywho, yeah, we're just gonna go through all the tools that are inside of my natural hair tools collection. So let's just go ahead and get into it. So first thing that I pulled out in this little section here are some hair clips. Hair clips are very important for whenever you're doing your natural hair, so that way you can clip your hair back. Y'all, I'm not gonna pull my hair back too much because this wig ain't secured and y'all ain't gonna clock your girl, okay? But anywho, y'all get the point. You know, clip your hair back whenever you need to, do your hair, all that other good stuff. So yeah, I got me some good alligator clips. The next little pocket I'm going through is, this is a little comb attachment thing that you can use. So whenever you're straightening your hair, you can use this to clip onto your hair and use your flat iron on top, so that way you get those nice good results. And yeah, and also inside of this pocket here, I have two rat tail combs, just for parting my hair or doing the same thing as far as, like, you know, straightening your hair, all that other good stuff, you know. Got me some rat tail combs, and I have my hair shears. Y'all know how important this is, especially if you're natural, okay? Make sure you keep them ends trimmed. We don't need no split ends or anything like that. So yeah, I got my hair scissors. I got another one of those little straightening comb things, and I got my hair pick, so whenever I have like a twist out, braid out, wash and go, you know, fluff out your roots, so you can have that nice and voluminous hair style, wash and go, twist out, braid out, whatever. So I got me a hair pick. And the last and final thing inside that little pocket are some crochet hooks. So the next pocket that I have are my wide tooth combs. These two right here are mine, and this one I use for my son whenever I do his hair. And yeah, got my wide tooth combs on deck to detangle my hair whenever I need to. So yeah, this pocket here are my detangling brushes, some of them. So this one here is the easy detangling brush. Got this, which is a really nice detangling brush. If I could choose between a wide tooth comb and a detangling brush to detangle my hair, I would definitely choose a detangling brush. Overall, hands down. Although I use my fingers first because that's the best detangling tool for your natural hair, hands down, point blank, period. Okay, but anywho, I already went through this detangling brush. The next one I have is the Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush here. And I have 2 Tangle Teasers, a purple and a black one. And yeah, I don't know if y'all can see that. Tangle Teaser. Got my detangling brushes on deck. And then here in this pocket here, I just have 2 handheld detangling brushes, which are from Tangle Teaser. As y'all can see, very nice, very helpful for detangling your hair. So this pocket here is basically like, I don't know, like my styler stuff. That makes sense. So I have a hard bristle brush. I got a hard bristle brush right here, you know, for slick back, ponytails, buns, whatever. I have another hard bristle brush, which is a purple one. I got a soft bristle brush. Wow, that is a tongue teaser. Oh my goodness, that's a whole lot. But anywho, I got a soft bristle brush. And I got some edge brushes on deck. And these ones here are just the ones with the comb attachment at the bottom. The comb attachment broke on this one. You know, that's very sad. I got this one here. I don't remember where I got this from, but yeah, I got this. I also have a red one. Don't know where it's at, but yeah. Is this the company? Hair is Forever, I guess, but this is another edge brush. And then I just added this to my collection because I got my son like a toothbrush pack and it had a purple one in it, and I just kept the purple one so I could do my edges. So yeah, got me a little toothbrush. So this pocket here, I have some thread and a needle. Don't know why that's in there, but you know, that's cool, whatever. So I have some paddle brushes. I have a black one just like this. I think it's in the bathroom because I used it to brush out this hair before recording my videos, but you know, that's neither here nor there. So paddle brush, I use this for whenever I'm blow drying my hair. Yeah, but mostly I use these for my wigs. So this one is a wet brush. I don't use this brush for whenever I'm blow drying my hair. I'll most likely use, well, not most likely, I do use the paddle brush. So yeah. So these here are the Denman, however you pronounce it. I got the Denman brush. I don't use these on my hair. I use these on my wigs. I do not like using these on my hair at all, point blank period. So yeah, got these. And do y'all want to see this? You know what, we're just gonna keep this natural hair tools. We're not gonna go through natural hair products, okay? Because that's not what this video is about. Okay, so anywho, the next tool that I have some rubber bands because I do plan on doing the rubber band method for upcoming protective style that I plan on trying for the first time. So got these, and what's inside of this pink pouch, I have extra large hair elastics from Revlon. Gotta keep the bobby pins on deck. On deck. On deck. And then I have some regular size hair elastics, and then I just have like some miscellaneous, well, like some more. This is another extra large hair thingy. This is a headband, and yeah, I just have some extras hair ties just laying around inside there because they don't have a home to go to since they're not in the little packet with all the other ones. Okay. And then what I have inside this Pattern Beauty little thing here is my satin hair scrunchies. And you could get like 50 of these from off of Amazon for like really cheap, you know? And then I have my sock bun that I made. And yeah, so I just have like different sizes. This does not come in that pack, but you can buy these individually from off of Amazon. So these are the extra large satin scrunchies, and a nice variety color of Satin Scrunchies. Satin is very good. Is very good for your natural hair. I like to use those to stretch out my hair, put my hair up, section off my hair, all that other good stuff. So yeah. So another hair tool that I have inside of these pockets are spray bottles. So these were all inside individual pockets. So yeah, these are the misting. These are the 360 mist spray bottles, and this is just a regular spray bottle. I don't know where the tip of this is, so yeah, I'll probably have to buy me another one because I don't think it's gonna work the same way. But yeah, looks like a Jack Daniels bottle, don't it? Huh? It's super cute. Got it from off of Amazon. You know, check it out. Check out my Amazon store. You could get you one too if you want it. Yeah. Y'all play too much. Would you consider a hair scarf and a bonnet a natural hair tool? Answer that inside the comment section down below. But anywho, I have my Turby Twisty hair towels, microfiber hair towels. I think that's considered a natural hair tool, right? Yeah. Yeah, I got my Grace slap cap, satin lined on the inside. Very good for protecting your hair. Or if you're having a bad hair day, you just don't feel like wearing your hair out, you could just whoop, pop that thing on and, you know, be on your merry way. Because it don't look like a bonnet. It looks like a little beanie. So a little slouch beanie. So that's super cute. And then I have my bonnet from Glow by Day. Reversible bonnet. I have another one laying around. I think it's on the bed somewhere, or maybe it's in the bathroom, but I have a bonnet. My hair scarves, my satin hair scarves at that. Okay, like I said, satin is very good for your natural hair to protect, so got these on deck. Now, I don't know if you would consider this a tool or not, but I just have these plastic deep conditioning caps for whenever you're deep conditioning your hair. You know what, I'm gonna just throw this in there. I don't know if you consider this a natural hair tool or not, but I have these scarves, these cotton scarves. So whenever you want to do like a turban up on your hair, or you know, just wrap your hair up or whatnot, whenever you're having a bad hair day and you don't want to walk out looking crazy, you could just wrap your hair up with these. So I do have these. I also have a black one. Yeah, so there we go, got that. And that is everything. All right, y'all, so that wraps up my natural hair tools tour. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up. Like, smash that like button right now. Also, comment down below, what type of natural hair tools do you have in your stash? Or if you saw anything in today's video that you might have, let me know how you like it. Let me know if you don't like it. I would love to know, because y'all know I love chit-chatting with y'all, okay? And if you're new here and you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell so you can be notified whenever your girl posts a new video. We are on the road to 2,000 subscribers and would love to have you a part of this family. So yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Period. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye. Natural hair tools that I have inside my natural hair tools stash. At this point, your girl is just rambling, so let's go ahead and cut that out and redo this over.